all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. I decided to videotape this before I boxed them up because I know everybody was interested. Did they warp? So I'm thinking they didn't warp because there was paint and stuff on the bottom that stuck it down to the canvas. So you can see, I love it. I love it. Because I'm getting ready to box them up because I'm boxing up all my supplies. This one, a little bit maybe. But see, once I cut out all the holes, okay, I got some paint drippings stuck on this. Oh well, I'll have to sand that off. Look at that, almost perfect. That's because they're stuck down. See, there wasn't much paint on the back, but enough to stick it down to the tray. Okay, let me pause the video for a second. This one I already unstuck, but you can see it's warped just a tiny bit. Let's see how these guys fared. Yep, perfect. Come on. There we go. See, I got bits of paint stuck under it from the tray. That's because I'm too cheap to switch out the paper. I know I should. Hang on, I'm just getting rid of a couple little bits right there. So I'm going to have to say, if you want to use these really thin ones from the Dollar Tree, or $1.25 tree as I like to call it, you got to paint both sides. You can paint it with gesso. I just use regular acrylic paint, white, painted both sides. What I'm going to do when I get to Iowa, you can see all the little holes. I'm trying to show it to you. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing when I get to Iowa is peeling off all the tape off the back, and then taking an X-Acto knife and maybe some sandpaper and going through the little crevices to get rid of the excess paint. Okay, so because see he's got a bunch around his eye. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, you can't see it on here. So you'll have to wait for that video. So listen, this is going to be one of my giveaway videos. I think I'm going to do it this coming Saturday, which would be, oh, let me see, November. Okay, it would help if I had the calendar turned. Okay, oh, it would end up being on Veterans Day, so it'll just be a short video that day. It'll be me peeling these up and showing you that they didn't warp, but it took a lot of frog tape and a lot of prepping, and I don't know how I got some of these designs in here, but that's okay. And I may end up she almost looks like she's got blood around her mouth, huh? I may end up painting some more around the details before I varnish them, and I don't know, well, seal them. I don't know what I'm going to use to seal them yet, okay? I haven't figured that out yet. So, make sure you make a comment below. Let me see, this is the 11th. So on the 16th, the giveaway that I show you, which would be either the white or the pure white satin enamel or the 24 karat gold metallic, both from Deco Art, Americana Decor. Whatever, I will do a comment picker with those comments on this November 16th. So hope you enjoyed this little video. I know it's a shorty, but hey, you know. But I'm happy that they didn't warp. So, let me see, let me bring that down a little bit. So, these are usable for pouring on. Just takes a little prep work. So, but I think half of what we do in pouring is prep work. It's either prepping the substrate or mixing the paint. So anyway, leave a comment below, and then I will do, I don't know if it'll be a live or not when I do it, but on the 16th I will pick the winner from the comments below. So I do want to give a real quick shout out to Devin, Alyssa, Tony, Jameson, Marley, and Ribbon. Grandma loves you. And see you guys hopefully in a live by the first of the year, by the end of December. I don't know which one yet. And all I can say is bye for now. Love you, Bentley. Wink, wink. Leave your comment, everybody.